today's technical corner, we're going to talk about how we can revolutionise your boring heads. Paul, let's talk about the traditional method, and then we'll talk about the more advanced method after.
Sure. So BIG KAISER is a Swiss company specialising in precision boring heads. Boring of holes is a high-speed method of getting very accurate, true, very good surface finish holes. But it's held back by the pre-setting process, mainly. So with a traditional boring head with a manual adjustment on it, you would have to take this to a preset machine, preset it as close as you can to the finished hole size you're going to try and accomplish. Take this back to the CNC machine, load it into the machine, bore an actual hole, use a bore gauge to mic the hole, get a result. You're then going to have to sit and do a calculation to find out how far you're away for your finished hole size. Manually adjust the head, bore it again, go back in with the bore mic and take several measurements and keep this process going until you've actually hit the size and finish that you require.
Clunky, cumbersome, lengthy.
So you've got a high speed precision hole finishing method which is a bit long-winded to actually set up and get going. So the idea of using a digital head with the advantage of a Bluetooth connectivity is to minimise the setup and to take out the inaccuracy of working under pressure and making mistakes with your mathematics, so to speak. So using a digital head, first of all you've got a digital readout on the head, so you can actually move the head in 1 micron increments, but with the added bonus of having a Bluetooth connection. So you can download an app across all formats, Android and in this case Apple. You can connect through Bluetooth to your device, and then once connected you can actually look at putting in the dimensions from your engineering drawing. So in this case we're looking at producing a hole which is 31.25 millimeters diameter, and we're producing to a H6 tolerance. So this is information that you just pull straight off the drawing. Yes, you would need to go to a presetter and preset the head as close as you can to that. And then once you've taken your first cut, you can feed in what your actual measured finished hole size is. So in this case, we're going to say it's 31.2. The head will now tell you exactly how far you need to move to actually get to your finished size. So as you actually move the head in either direction, you'll get a traffic light system coming up on your screen telling you what you're actually looking to achieve, where the head is now and how much you need to move. So actually moving that head now, you'll see that you can move that very easily. And you can see the indicator on the bottom, so we're now perfectly within specification. We can lock that off. There's probably 1 micron difference in the actual lock position to the open position on the head, and then when you rerun that through the job you would guarantee getting size.
Do you know, I think I could probably do that. I haven't been on the machine for a while, but I could manage that.
It makes it very, very easy. You don't have to do the manual calculation, it does it all for you, and it's actually telling you what you're moving the head, and that will give you finished size straight away.
Fascinating, thank you very much.
So traditionally, BIG KAISER have offered a starter boring kit, if you like. This kit will take you from 17mm diameter to 152mm diameter holes with everything that's in the kit. It was traditionally offered with a manual head, and now you can upgrade that and actually have the digital system with inside there. The digital system is also available across the whole platform, so they will do boring from 0.4mm diameter to 3m diameter, all with a digital system.
Incredible. I'm impressed. Thanks for watching. If you want to enhance how you bore holes, speak with the guys at ITC.